So we are back. Remember this? Yep, this is part two. Starting with cha-ching. We have Sonic, Knuckles, and Tails 3-pack for the 25th anniversary.
Yeah.
Now I will open this with extreme care, so you might wanna. Alright, so I think I got this opened up a bit. So I'm going to try and open it up fully. And cha-ching! It's open! Alright, so let's go inside and take them out. Alright. So yes, this. Hold on, I'm gonna get them out the box. But I'm not changing. I'm going to do is. Alright, so editing. Alright, I'm gonna get them out the package using editing. And so yeah, 5, 4, 3, 2. Alright, so we got a metallic classic Sonic
Are you done,
with
Grandma?
metal. Loves to fall down metallic Knuckles with metal. And a metallic, really balanced Tails with metal. And as you can see, these are the limited edition. Also, yeah, so Knuckles like to fall down. Alright, so this is basically them. The coins are pretty cool. I used to call these all the time. I either used to call these rings or coins. And it does make a lot more sense that they would put these as coins. But I don't know why they wouldn't put these as rings. And they do have a little weight to them, which is pretty cool. Which tells me these are worth something. So, yeah. I was also watching SpongeBob. Yeah, and so Sonic, I didn't tell you to fall down. See, these figures love to fall down. Sonic, Knuckles especially. He's the last one. He's the last one. Alright, so basically, yeah. These are the toys. They have movement. They're articulated. Hand gripments. And the first ever classic Knuckles. If I'm wrong, please leave it in the comments. And here is Tails. So here's Sonic. As you can see, he's really cool. And he has a full articulation as classic Sonic would. He's metallically painted. Looks like the new. It makes him look a lot newer, as a way he looks also classic. So yeah. So yeah, here's Sonic. Next we got Knuckles, and he is really cool. He's a little jiggly though in the head, but that's okay. So, yeah.
Are you done, Grandma?
So basically, this metallic Knuckles, same thing. Hand grippitation, articulation, paint, talent. So yeah, he's pretty cool. Tails. For some reason, I can't turn his head that much. But he's still fully articulated. He has the details on the tails and the bangs, how it looks in classic games. So yeah. Next up is the medals. So first up, we got Sonic's medal. His medal is one of the best of all because he actually has
Vaya,
It's
pues.
really cool. It's funny. Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Juntan todas en un solo sitio.
Tails. So yeah, basically same thing. They're still all heavy, and yeah, Knuckles. Only showing you the design because you don't need to do But if you can look close enough, you can see the date. I don't think you can see it, but the date. But they're from. But it says. But on each of them, it says the date that they were actually put into the games. Sonic 1991, Tails 1992, Knuckles 1994. So next we have Eggman. He really is really squishy. He's from the 25th anniversary plush toys. And he's really cool. And he is really squishy, cool, detailed, mustache, big nose. His mustache is cool. He has his cape, his buttons, his hands, and all this stuff. It's pretty cool, and even the original logo, which is the best part. So, yay! Yay for Dr. Eggman! Yeah! Eggman, I'm dancing, yeah! Yeah!